Since 1999, Scotech has been at the forefront of transformer technology, blending decades of expertise with forward-thinking solutions. Scotech drives innovation, insists on quality, and commits to sustainability, aiming to positively impact the world. Scotech delivers more than 1,200,000 kVA transformers across the globe every year, powering up countless homes and businesses for millions. We ensure that each one of our delivered units has undergone rigorous full acceptance testing. As a UL-listed manufacturer, our extensive range of transformers caters to diverse needs, meeting stringent international standards such as IEC, IEEE, CSA, and more. Our products include pole-mounted transformers, single and three-phase pad-mounted transformers, substation transformers, distribution transformers, dry-type transformers, large power transformers, and special transformers such as rectifier transformers, furnace transformers, traction transformers, and earthing transformers. We ensure our products adhere to the highest quality and safety standards, empowering our customers with reliable and compliant solutions. Scotech transformers are trusted across key industries for their efficiency and reliability. From stabilizing power supply in grids to supporting high-load operations in mining and metallurgy, they play a crucial role. In data centers, they ensure uninterrupted data flow, while in transportation infrastructures like railways and airports, they facilitate smooth operations. By catering to specific needs and promoting renewable energy products, Scotech demonstrates its commitment to sustainability and societal advancement. In the journey of advancing the power industry, our company stands at the forefront of innovation and quality, delivering exceptional solutions to clients worldwide. We proudly design and manufacture transformers that meet IEEE and CSA standards, including power transformers, substation transformers, pad-mounted transformers, and pole-mounted transformers, setting a reliable benchmark in North America and beyond. Simultaneously, our IEC series transformers encompass power transformers, distribution transformers, traction transformers, dry-type transformers, and furnace transformers, renowned for their outstanding performance across diverse sectors. From complex urban power grids to demanding industrial applications and precise railway electrification, our products consistently earn trust with their efficiency, reliability, and eco-friendly features. Every success story reflects our relentless pursuit of technological excellence, rigorous quality control, and profound understanding of customer needs. Because we believe that with dedication and innovation, we can illuminate every corner of the world and empower every ambitious dream. As a leader in the electric power transformer industry, our company offers unique advantages. With rich experience and professional knowledge, we continuously innovate, guiding industry trends. Our globalized production and sales network provide rapid response and high-quality service worldwide. We provide one-package service from quoting, designing, manufacturing, installation and commissioning to after-sales support, ensuring project success. Scotech, empowering the world.